friends, how are you? I hope you're well. Welcome back to Sonia's Space, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this tomato paste right at home, and also I'm going to be showing you two methods to store this tomato paste, so keep watching. For a start, I sprinkled in some salt on the tomatoes and let it sit on it for a little bit, then went ahead and washed my tomatoes thoroughly and then set it aside. Then I went ahead and cut my beetroot into bits to prepare them for blending, because I need some beetroot for this tomato paste just to add color to the tomato paste. And beetroots are very beneficial to our health. Beetroots are very nutritious and combines well with other vegetables. So here I'm trying to take out the seeds from the tomatoes, because in this tomato paste I don't need any of these seeds inside my tomato. So I'm just trying to get rid of all the tomato seeds inside the tomatoes. Then I will go ahead and blend my tomatoes alongside my beetroot. So after blending, I'm going to pour in my tomatoes inside the pot and then bring it to a boil. So now the water has dried up to a reasonable extent, and to get rid of the remaining water, I'm going to be passing it through a cheesecloth. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for choosing to watch my videos, and if you're new and you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button, like this video and share with your friends, and God bless you as you do. So I'm going to try to remove the excess water from this tomato by placing an object on top of this tomato just to help to take out the excess water in the tomatoes. So I left it like this for a few hours. Then this is what I got. A lot of the water has been removed. So I'm just going to be cutting out some tomatoes and then putting it in these plastic containers here, after which I will be putting it in the freezer to freeze it, taking it out again before putting it in my seal-up bag. This is one method that I'm going to be using to store this tomato paste. So now I'm just going to be placing this tomato paste inside the freezer to freeze up. Then this is another method of storage that I'm going to be showing you. Putting this tomato paste inside a bottle. I'll fill it up to the brim and then put some olive oil on top of the bottle and then put it in my refrigerator. It can last for about 2 weeks. This is another method of storing this tomato paste. So these are the two ways you can use to store your tomato paste. You can either choose to freeze it up like I did, or you can choose to put it in an airtight container and then place it in your refrigerator for about 2 weeks. These are different ways of storing this tomato paste. So I'm just going to keep this frozen tomato paste inside my seal-up bag and then put it in the freezer so that I will be able to take out of it whenever I need to use it to prepare whatsoever I want to prepare. It's so easy and convenient. I can just take one of these frozen tomato paste and then use it for whatsoever I want to use it for. So this is about the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching it this time. Until I see you again in my next one, have a nice day. God bless and bye bye.